Hey beautiful people, let me show you how to make turmeric face and body scrub. This mixture will give you a glow and baby skin that you always wanted. Do you have an uneven and dull skin texture? Today I'm going to teach you how to make your own body scrub at home and you can use it for effective result, okay? In a jar, add sugar, which is our main ingredient. Sugar, a natural exfoliant that helps remove dead skin cells, leaving the skin smooth and radiant. You add 2 tablespoons of honey. It's the gentle texture of honey helps remove dead skin cells. It also has natural antibacterial properties that can help prevent and treat acne and other skin infections. Okay, I'm gonna go in with my honey, followed by 1 teaspoon of turmeric. Okay, we're gonna add in turmeric in there like so. The turmeric helps even out skin tones and it aids natural glow, making it useful in reducing hyperpigmentation and dark spot. Okay, and kid you not, this mixture you can use it for both your body and face. You can use for both body and face, and it's very effective. And you can actually use the common things in your kitchen to get this done. Okay, so after adding honey and turmeric in there, we're gonna add our body wash. Then you add either coconut oil or vitamin E oil. Today, me, I'm using vitamin E oil. Okay, the body wash, the essence of adding body wash, it's to help the cleansing element to is to add cleansing element to your scrub, okay, so that it's gonna be foamy. I don't know, but if you know you don't like your scrub being having foam, you can just keep the body scrub part, but it's as important as other ingredients. So we're gonna mix it very well. You're gonna have to mix it, combine it, mix it. Some people even use mixer. If you want, you can use a mixer, but today I want I want to feel the scrub here. But if you know you like it smooth, you can actually mix it in a mixer. You get some spatula. You mix it very well, thoroughly till it's smooth to your desired texture. Okay. So once you've done mixing and everything, store it in your container. Mix it the way. So you're gonna keep mixing it until you get your desired texture. Mix it to your satisfaction. At least you can do and undo with it. It's actually all the ingredients you can get in your kitchen. Like I said, you can use coconut oil, but today I decided to use vitamin E oil for mine because my coconut oil, it's winter and I had to put it in hot water to melt. It's not melt, so when I was about to do the video, and I need my scrub ASAP. Like I want my skin to be smooth. I want that baby skin. I want that glow on my face and my body. Like it feels so soft, you know. I actually tried on my hand and my skin is so soft. Like it's just the magic, okay? At the corner of your house, you can create magic. Okay, so this is make sure you use it on a damp skin, so you can get effective results. Let me know in the comment section if you're gonna be trying it out at home. Share your video with me, tag me, and do all that. Okay, till I come away some other time. This is the end result of my body scrub. So I'm gonna store it in a cool, dry place in my bathroom, of course, and reach out to you whenever I need one. Don't forget, it's good for the face and body. And what it does, it gives you a glowing skin, a baby skin effect. If you have an uneven skin and dull skin texture, if you have hyperpigmentation, it helps dead skin, dead cells, aids antibacterial properties. At least it helps prevent and treat acne. Like why won't you want to try this? It has a lot of if it has a lot of benefits, okay? When you use this, when you try it out. Like I say once more, the sugar ingredient acts as a natural exfoliant and it helps remove dead skin cells. It leaves your skin smooth and radiant. The honey texture helps dead skin also and has antibacterial natural antibacterial properties. It's your girl Tony. Ciao.